Hello, my name is Adrienne Miller with adriennemiller.com, and today I'm going to show you how to design your own WordPress template using Artisteer software. Now there are two different versions of Artisteer software. There's the standard version, which is really more for professional web designers, because in addition to the standard version allowing the creation of WordPress, Blogger, and HTML page websites, the standard version also allows Joomla templates and Drupal templates and a variety of other types of templates. In fact, if you want to find out more about it, you can go to the company website, which is www.artisteer.com. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the process that I go through when I am designing a WordPress template for the first time. Well, the first thing I do is I select the format, of course, which in this case is going to be WordPress. And then what I do is, this is what I love about this software. It's loading right now. It's not the Artisteer, it's my computer. I have too many different windows open right now, so it's a little slow. I apologize for that. But what I love about this software is this button right here called Suggest Design, because what it does is it randomizes all the different options that are in the software and it creates new websites. And what I do is I do this for inspiration, to give me an idea. Sometimes if I know what kind of website I want to design, I already know in advance what colors I want it to be, then I can just go in and design it from scratch. But this is fun for me because I just love to see what new designs it comes up with. So I'm going to press the Suggest Design button and let's see what it does. Again, I apologize, it's slower than it would be normally because of my computer. Okay, this one is actually not too bad. Let's see what else we've got. Because what I do is when I get something that looks like it's something I can work with, then I use that as a starting point and then I fine-tune it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, this one looks cool. Let's see what else we've got. I don't like that one too much. No, let's see. And see, each one of these designs is completely unique. So, I mean, there's so many places that you can get WordPress templates online, either free WordPress templates or paid ones, but it's kind of cool to know that you can use this software to make something completely unique that no one else has. So this is what a WordPress template looks like without the header. Okay, I'm just going to do this a few more times. Okay, I'll use this one as a starting point. Okay, now over here you can actually do the same process, except instead of just changing the entire template, it'll actually just change whatever the category is listed. Like for instance, where it says Suggest Colors, if I decide I don't want a gray template, I can press Suggest Colors and it'll do a couple of other combinations. Now the software has about maybe 20 or 30 color combinations already programmed into the system, but you can change the colors to anything you want it to. This is just a starting point of just some color combinations that they already put together. So you can do this the same way for the colors. You can also do it for let me try that one more time. You can also do it for the background if I don't want those bubbles there and I want to see what else. Okay, it didn't change too much that time, but okay, there we go, different background. Let me see if I can get a lighter color combination. Okay, we can also do this for the header. And this also, when you first get the software and you're brand new, This is also a good way to learn how the software really works before you start fine-tuning it. The buttons are these buttons right here, like where it says search, suggest buttons. Okay, I'm actually looking for something, okay, I was going to say something a little more blue, except I don't want the background to be blue. So now I'm going to go into the regular part of the software where I actually have to do it all myself. Okay, so okay, you see the background here. I'm going to work on the background first. The fill color for the background, right now it's blue, but look at that. They have all these color combinations that are designed to match your site. So, you know, I guess you don't come out looking psychedelic unless you want it to be psychedelic, but I could make it dark blue, but actually what I want to do is I want to make it white. I want to make it a white background. Now this right here is not the color. This is what they call either the glare, the image, or the gradient. Right now these are the different glares that you can have on your background. It's a lot of different choices. Right now apparently it's pre-programmed to select grunge. I'm going to actually take that off, but I just want to kind of show you the different options you have for just the glare of the background. And when you see all the different options, and this is how you understand that you can really create an almost unlimited number of WordPress templates with this software. Okay, so now I'm going to take the rest of that off. Again, this is not the Artisteer software that's slow, it's my computer. I apologize. Hello. Okay, here we go. Alright, so this one has a lot of different image textures, but I'm trying to find the one that's selected already. Maybe there isn't one selected on this one. But as you can see, you can have all kinds of background textures. You can have it looking like a wall, you can have it looking like bricks. You can just pick what you want. There we go, no texture, so that did come off, and no gradient. There we go. Now we have a white background. So I took all the background stuff off. Now the next thing I want to work on is the header. Now what I really like about the header is that you can adjust it and fine-tune it in so many different ways. You can get rid of it altogether. You can use the graphics that come with the software, or you can even insert your own graphics from your hard drive. So you can insert your own header graphics, or you can just like you know, right here there's a photo. If you wanted to put a photo of yourself, well actually I just did that. You can see that you can actually insert the photo, and then they even let you adjust where on the header the photo is. So this is really very customizable. What I'm going to do is I actually want to pick a plain header, because in another video I'm going to show you how to customize your header. You can do it with this software, but it only works if the photo that you're using has a transparent background. But if you have just a regular photo that you've got to actually, you know, separate it from the background yourself, I'm going to show you another video how to do that with Paint software. But in the meantime, well, I want no photo, which is what it's on. So apparently this pattern right here is actually one of the effects. I'm sorry, not there. Here. Like I said, you can adjust the color. If I wanted to make it a darker header, I could do that. I could make it lighter, you know, anything I want to do. But what I want to do right now is I want to take, okay, that must be the glare. There it is. See that yellow box around that? That's the one that's selected. I want to take that off. So that's gone.